Akudiba United Sangtam Student Conference Ku Isa Sangtamra Mayura Apamde Salam Chomachire Monday Tina Tike USSC joint venture with LDSU and KASU under Longkhim Chare Education to Rachiale Chingi Dashi Ako Amuanula Ako Muna Rachi Yale Kuila through education tour, Tingchecho go appeal to all the stakeholders, irrespective of their backgrounds. We appeal to all the church leaders, the public, as well as the teacher and the student to come forward. As the theme of our educational tour says, education, the best investment. As a team kuna, chengi dina, Longkhim Charila is a movement to public desa, tour desa, parents party desa, kadu kitchen SMC, SMTC desa, kitchen teachers desa, kitchen go church party nasa, nolam kenung, atong deka to lile go, hikuna public awareness creates. It's high time that we come together and invest in education sector. Isa Sangtam Radina, Pare Ipanya Kangla, Sangtam Radi, Beku Wanya Kangla. It's high time that we come together as one body and invest in education sector. Azarti Aja Kamsong Yerma, Sangtam Radi, Lamdara Aja Torso Yerma, Akizarati ESC Torso Yerma, Akizarati IAS IBS officer Torso Yerma. Isa Chokakabi Masanong Romnamnong Lile. Therefore, through this educational tour, we appeal to all the community of Sangtam to come together and invest in education sector. Azarti Atza Kamung Shulam Isa Apam Namate education sector la Achunguram Mapisago Lile. Atigo Isa Kila resources limited to Lile, Longkhim Charila. Tange Isa na Hiri Tingchi Bamde. Iturati Akizarati Atza Makamcho Atung Tingchi Lile. Atigo Chingidina Chechore Isa Apam education sector la road rodana. Church party nasa kaila atrono atalango troso nyere. Parents party nasa kaila atrono atalango. We encourage and appeal the parents party and the public to come together and invest in education sector. Longkhim Charila tsakang dina ati dina isa aro invest sabona. Peku nung shulam azardi atakang nung shulam isa Sangtam Radi yolana lamnara ata toro nung shulam isa akizardi yolana ESC IPS IAS officer aja Toronong Shulam isa Longkhim Charila education sector la invest sana isa na tingi in the room na aja kamsonong kitchere. And the office of the United Sangtam Student Conference would like to lay down some few points. The first point, we would like to encourage and appeal to all the educational institutions to start emphasizing the use of English language in classroom teaching. Second point, we request the institutions to make drinking water facilities available for my children. And the third point is sanitation. Bathroom toilet should be maintained clean for my children. And the fourth point and the most foremost thing, and this point we really emphasize and we will lay down rules for all the educational institutions. When you go and teach my children in the classroom, be warned and be informed that you must be out of any tobacco or alcohol use. Aching already katoi classroom la ichurde ching yunung yedro. Na ape na afata zaing na zatunung lile. Kode na classroom la sali biri tobacco ape la mangamgo yatunung na ila conference na tingding no action kano. Whenever you go to teach my children to classroom, we want that you must be in a mental health. Afa ape masago na classroom la ichur yang lang yetuko na. Shita Tingunung is a conference school as a chomachire. kai school la kai yang tong la ichur de ching yu nong ba na apela sali biri je ko ya tu ching yu ya ro hilo conference na ta se na ching tin nu je mate sore. Last but not the least, we all know that we have very limited resources, and our hearts grieve to see the educational institutions with all the poor infrastructure and with the lackage of all those teachers, especially like maths teacher, science teacher, arts teacher, English teacher. Today we are collecting all the necessary information and data, and we give you our word that we will fight for you and will stand for the welfare and development of our student community. Through this message, I want to convey to all the public, the educational institutions, and the parent body to come forward and help and support the educational sector. And I would like to also make an information to all the village, to all the people. Yang dongti katoi liro under Longkhim Chare. Nara apam de mayur de public de student de church leader de he information kadu ubachare. Azarati kam tharo lana tare mayadashi government na free and compulsory education janumba government using la chakolile. Hacha using the isana article 21A lamure constitution Indian constitution la cha mure. Hacha go Chingi dina USSC na atala ta se na rame ko yare. Sa yang tung la, sa school la, sa area la, azarati school mo go liro acha ching bali no. Hachay ko, azarati iturity kam tharo la na thare maya. Government na free and compulsory education chanung ba rongnam dile. Hachay ko isa na achaba constitution cha ta se na rame na achay enforce na muchi kang na muchi nung ba acha sa choma chire. And appeal to all the students. Nara pam makap kiso nyere go Longkhim Chare la na kiche na lam nara acha kangnungba atira acha kangnungba yucho mainungba acha akizar di desa chomachure. Through this message we conclude my speech. Thank you.